Welcome to our channel, ready to solve your First Republic Bank login issues with a simple and effective guide that anyone can follow first. Ensure your internet connection is stable, since a weak or intermittent connection often causes login problems. Open your preferred browser and clear the cache and cookies to remove any corrupted files that might be hindering access. Next, confirm that your username and password are entered correctly, paying attention to capitalization, as credentials are case-sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. To initiate a secure password, reset via your registered email address or phone number. Sometimes browser compatibility issues can interfere with logging, and so try switching to another recommended browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. In addition, it's important to verify that your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid any outdated security or functionality issues. Disable any browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily, as they may conflict with the bank's login system, causing errors. If your account is locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts, contact First Republic Bank customer support directly, where trained representatives can assist in unlocking your account and provide further guidance. Consider using the bank's official mobile app as an alternative login method, which often provides a smoother user experience and enhanced security features. Lastly, always double-check that you are logging in from the official First Republic Bank website to avoid phishing scams and protect your personal information. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll quickly regain seamless access to your banking services without unnecessary stress. Remember these simple techniques whenever you face login issues to resolve them swiftly and continue managing your finances with ease. Finally, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tips.